This is Earth. Earth rotates all the way around the sun every year. As it moves, different parts of Earth tilt toward or away from the sun. This causes the seasons to change. A season is a time of year with different weather patterns. Each year has 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Spring is the time of year that Earth is beginning to tilt toward the sun. In the spring, there are more hours of daylight than in the winter. There is more sunlight in the spring, so the weather feels warm. Some places have a lot of rain in the spring. Plants need sunlight and water to live and grow. What are some changes that you notice about plants in the spring? That's right, they grow. In spring, there is enough sunlight and rain for plants to begin to bloom, grow, and have offspring. Summer is the season after spring. Summer is the time of year that Earth is tilted toward the sun. Summer is the season with the most daylight each day. Summer also has the warmest temperatures. What kinds of things do you enjoy doing in the summer? Since summer has more hours of sunlight, plants are able to grow and reproduce quickly. The trees are covered with leaves. Fall is the season after summer. Fall is the time of year that Earth is beginning to tilt away from the sun. Fall has fewer hours of daylight than summer. The temperatures are cooler. Since there are fewer hours of sunlight in the fall, plants do not grow as quickly. In some places, leaves turn orange, yellow, and red, and fall off trees. Winter is the season after fall. Winter is the time of year that Earth is tilted away from the sun. Winter has the fewest hours of daylight and the coldest temperatures. In some places, it snows in the winter. Have you ever seen snow? Since there is not as much sunlight in the winter, some plants do not grow or make offspring. Some trees lose all of their leaves in the winter. In the southern hemisphere, the seasons are opposite of what they are in the northern hemisphere. So, when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. This is because when Earth is tilted toward the sun in the northern hemisphere, it is tilted away from the sun in the southern hemisphere. Even though the seasons are opposite in the southern hemisphere, they still follow a pattern. There are many patterns that we can find in the seasons. What kinds of things do you like to do during your favorite season?
Wow, it's really interesting. So now you know, grade 1, that there are 4 seasons in a year. A season is one of the 4 parts of the year with different weather patterns. The seasons are spring, summer, fall, and winter. The seasons also follow a pattern. That means in a year we have spring, summer, fall, and winter. And again, they were repeated. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. They were repeated more and more every year. The same for the amount of daylight. The amount of daylight in summer is much more than the amount of daylight in winter. So interesting. Now look to this photo, grade 1. We have 4 different seasons. Color these seasons, grade 1, and try to name each one of them. What do you think is this? Spring, summer, winter, or fall? What about this one, and this one? Color them and then try to guess what's the season. When you finish, draw a picture of the current season in these days. Add details about what it feels and look like outside. You can add labels to your drawing. This is page number 46. If you finish, let's solve page number 47. We have many photos here for fall, winter, spring, and summer. And we have the definitions of different seasons. We will match each photo of a season with its definition. Let's see the first one. Summer is the season after spring. Which photo of these photos shows summer grade 1? What do you think? The first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one? What do you think? Did you say the fourth one? If so, you are totally right, grade 1. In summer, we have a lot of sunlight. The sun is so hot and it's high in the sky. Let's see the second one. Fall is the season after summer. What do you think, grade 1? Which one of these photos shows fall? This one, or this one? Did you say the first one? If so, you are totally right, grade 1. In fall, leaves of some trees turn to brown and then finally they will fall to the ground. Let's see the next one. Winter is the season after fall. What do you think, grade 1? Which one of these two photos represent winter? Did you say this? If so, you're totally right. In winter, usually, there is a lot of rain and a lot of snow. Let's see the last one. Spring is the season after winter. This is the last one. In spring, we can see a lot of flowers with different colors, a lot of plants, and a lot of trees with green color. Interesting. Now, please, grade 1, be sure to match these photos to these definitions. Page number 47 on your book. That's enough for today, grade 1. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.